Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from your account to another wallet or just to your bank. Right here we click on trading accounts, and then from here you will find your trading accounts right there. I need to tell you something because I don't have any money standing on this account, but when you have money standing on this account, you click right here on withdrawal, and then from here you select here that you want to do it with a bank transfer. If you have crypto or other currency standing on that account, you can do this also, but right now we can only do bank transfer. And then right now you need to select your account. So if you can see right now I don't have any money standing on this account, so that is why I can't click right here on my account. But if you have money standing on your account, click then here on account, and then right here you go to the confirmation summary, and there you need to verify a bank and then transfer the money to that bank or wallet. So that last step is maybe a little bit difficult, but trust me, if you read everything well, you will do it correctly. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.